Have you ever wondered if a robot could earn you cash while you sleep in 2025? What if I told you that 6 AI bots are out there right now, waiting for beginners just like you to press go and start making real money? No coding. No heavy startup capital. Just smart tools, hustle, and action. Stick around. The tool I reveal at the end made me $100 in its first 24 hours. Watch till the end for the tool that made me $100. I'm not talking about vague promises or old bots that never worked. I'm talking tools tested for 2025, tools you can use today. Imagine, one AI bot writes content, another bot designs, another trades, another chats, all bringing in income streams. You might think these bots are complicated or expensive. Wrong, they're beginner-friendly. Zero experience required. Just curiosity and willingness to try. In this video, I'll walk you through 6 AI bots you can set up fast, with real examples. By the time you're done watching, you'll know exactly which bots match your style: writing, design, automating, or selling. And yes, I drop these AI money-making tools every week. If you want to stay ahead, hit subscribe and ring that bell right now. Let's kick off with bot number 1. One that turns simple prompts into cash-earning articles. Bot number 2. It'll design graphics in seconds and help you sell them online. But wait, there's more. Bot number 3 automates social media engagement. No more posting all day. Curious how these bots avoid the AI pitfalls, like bland content or being too generic? Curious how you can make them sound human, targeted, and profitable? That trick is coming in bot number 4. But you want to see how I do it. So, are you ready to unlock your first passive income stream with AI? Then let's dive in. Because beginners, this is your golden ticket. Slight pause. Bot number 1. Content Creator Pro AI, blog posts, product reviews, listicles, all from prompts. See, many people think writing is hard, but this bot crafts SEO-friendly posts in under 10 minutes. I used it to write an affiliate product post that ranked in Google within 2 weeks. Tip: feed it a strong outline, let it add insights, it learns your voice as you go. Even if you've never written a paragraph, you'll feel like pro once you see how this works. Bot number 2. Design Mate AI. Transforms ideas into eye-catching graphics for your store or socials. Want a logo? Want Instagram posts? Want product mock-ups? It does it all. Let me show you how fast you can go from zero design skills to selling printables. Bot number 3. Chat Boost Bot. Customer chats, social media replies, lead generation. All semi-automatic. You might worry, won't it feel robotic? Good point. But I'll share how to humanize it so people think it's you. Mid-video note. Like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. It's only going to get better. Bot number 4. TradeGuard AI, crypto and stock trading signals based on AI predictions. Now, I'm not saying set and forget, but this bot gives alerts. You decide when to buy or sell. Beginner's trick. Start with small amounts. Test trades with a paper account first so you learn without risks. I used TradeGuard for just $50, made $8 in an hour. Small wins stack up. Bot number 5. Course Creator AI. Helps you build mini courses, write slides, script content, even generate quizzes. If you know a skill, photography, cooking, design, this bot turns that into a course you can sell. People love video and bite-sized modules. This makes that process fast. Bot number 6. Voice Bot Assistant. Convert text to realistic voiceovers, podcasts, or narrations. Use it in videos, audiobooks, sales pitches. It adds polish without hiring a voice actor. Here's a trick. Pair Voice Bot with Design Mate graphics and you have full video content production in under an hour. Want to avoid AI sounding robotic? Use shorter sentences, add pauses, tell stories. Combine content from bot number 1, design from bot number 2, audio from bot number 6. That's your content engine. Side tip: always customize. AI gives you the skeleton, you add the flesh. Example: I used bot number 1 plus number 6 to make a product review video. Took 30 minutes, earned $50 via affiliate link. Another example: Course Creator. Built a mini course on basic Photoshop tricks in 2 hours. Launched it. Earned $120 in the first week. These bots are tools, like a hammer or paintbrush. You still decide the design, the message. And here's something many skip: branding. Even if you use AI, keep consistent voice, style, colors. Also, test small before scaling. One post, one course, one trade, see what works. Now, which bot fits your style? If you love writing or review stuff, bot number 1 is your go-to. If visuals excite you, logos, designs, video covers, bot number 2 and number 6 will be your best friends. If you love teaching or sharing knowledge, course creator, bot number 5 is gold. If you're curious about finance and comfortable with risk, TradeGuard could be fun, but proceed with caution. I promised to show you how to beat AI's bland content. Here it is. Feed the bot your voice, your stories, your mistakes. Use your own examples, add humor, add personality. It flips generic into memorable. Also, always proofread. Even great bots make weird word choices. Fix them. Another little trick: reuse content. Blog to video, video to audio, audio to social snippet. These bots help you repurpose, stretch your work further. Now, let's compare cost versus income potential. Some bots have free tiers, some are paid. But the investment can quickly pay off. Bot number 1, maybe $20 per month. Bot number 2, similar. Bot number 6, pay per voice minute. But if one post or one small course brings $50, $100, you already got profit. You scale by repetition and consistency. And you're learning along the way. Valuable in 2025 when AI tools are exploding. Because here's the truth: skills plus tools equals unfair advantage. And these bots are part of that toolset. So far we've covered all 6. Let me recap quickly so you see them side by side. Bot number 1, Content Creator Pro, writing. Bot number 2, DesignMate, visuals. Bot number 3, Chat Boost, engagement. Bot number 4, TradeGuard, trading. Bot number 5, Course Creator, educational content. Bot number 6, VoiceBot, audio. You might combine 2 or more, like content plus voice plus design, to make a full product. Now, common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Pitfall number 1, relying solely on AI output without personal edits. Fix: always personalize. Pitfall number 2, poor niche choice, too broad, too saturated. Fix: go narrow, go specific. Pitfall number 3, ignoring feedback. Ask people to comment, test, iterate. And pitfall number 4, giving up too early. Results are rarely overnight, but the momentum builds fast once you see small wins. Mid-video reminder: like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. If you've used an AI bot before, drop a comment. Which one, and what income did you make? Let's go deeper. Let me walk you through using VoiceBot plus DesignMate to make a short video ad. Step 1. Write script in Content Creator Pro. Step 2. Design thumbnail and visuals with DesignMate. Step 3. Voiceover via VoiceBot. Step 4. Post on TikTok or Reels. I did that. Spent under an hour. Made $30 from affiliate clicks in 2 days. You see how the bots amplify each other when chained together. You don't need 6 bots all the time. Just pick 2 or 3 that match your strength. If you hate writing, avoid bot number 1, maybe lean on Course Creator and VoiceBot. If visuals are your thing, DesignMate and anything that makes audio or voice easy. If you like numbers and risk, TradeGuard, but always test small. And always track what you do. Which bot, which niche, which platform. Measure what works. Double down on that. Now, here's something many miss. Marketing. You could build all bots properly, but if no one sees your content, you get no sales. So use social media snippets, share on forums, repurpose content across platforms. Also leverage AI to help with marketing content. Use Chat Boost to generate ad copy, captions, DM templates. And the best part? Most of these bots can help you do that part too. By now you might be imagining your own income stream humming in the background. Let's look at my favorite tool. The one I promised would earn me $100. Here it is. My favorite pick by far, bot number 5. Course Creator AI combined with VoiceBot Assistant. Why this combo? Because it turns your knowledge into a product that sells again and again. I used it last week. Built a mini course on basic smartphone photography. Course Creator designed slides, quizzes, supporting PDF. VoiceBot narrated it. I uploaded it to a course marketplace and sold 2 seats in the first day. Earned me $100. That's without heavy promotion, without a huge following. It made me $100. And that's proof these tools work for beginners. If you've never sold a course, this is your low barrier entry. You provide what you know, even if basic, these bots polish it. One trick. Pick topics people care about, quick wins, smartphone photography, cooking hacks, productivity tips. Make modules short, video or audio, keep it simple. Pricing, don't overprice. For beginners, $10, $30 works well. Give value, gather testimonials, then you can raise prices. Another trick. Offer free module or teaser, build trust, then upsell. Use VoiceBot for narration so you don't need to record yourself. Use DesignMate for clean slides so it looks professional. Use ChatBoost to promote snippets on social media. That's how I built the course, promoted it, and made real income. You don't need fancy studio, big audience, just good tools and consistency. Now, I'll share one more bonus tip to multiply earnings. Bonus. Bundle content. For example, take your course, split into parts, sell mini versions or upsell advanced modules. Or create a membership with monthly updates, using the same bots to produce content. Recurring income beats one-time sales. Use that mindset. Another bonus trick. Reinvest a portion of earnings into the bot's paid plans, or into ads. Small ad spend can expose your work to more people. Even $5 or $10 can move the needle. Also, collaborate. Use bots to produce collaborative content with others. You reach more eyes. Use AI to help you script collaborations, email outreach, social media partnerships. Tracking again. Monitor what modules sell best, which days, which promotion method. Then do more of what works, drop what doesn't. Now, let me show you how fast you can set up everything, from idea to first sale, in one day. Morning. Pick your topic and outline it using Content Creator Pro. Midday. Design your slides with DesignMate, record voice with VoiceBot. Afternoon. Bundle into course, set up on Marketplace, prepare marketing snippets via ChatBoost. Evening. Post your snippets, reach out to small communities, maybe run a tiny ad. Repeat next day. Over time, you build up multiple income streams using these same 6 bots. And yes, sometimes bots misbehave. They may spin out weak ideas. That's fine. Delete, revise, move on. You'll get better at prompt writing, at selecting good niches. One thing I learned. Your failures often teach more than your successes. Log what prompts worked, what visuals got clicks, what price sold. Test versus control. Try 2 versions of a course or ad and see which converts more. That's real data, and data scales profits. Remember, the income is not linear. It starts small, builds, compounds. If you invest 1 hour a day over a month, you'll see big differences compared to no action. Let your bot tools work for you, not the other way around. And by combining multiple bots, you reduce risk. If one stream dips, others hold you up. So, let's wrap up. 6 AI bots. Content, design, chat, trading, course, voice, tools made for beginners in 2025. One powerful combo. Course Creator plus VoiceBot that earned $100 in its first day for me. You now have ideas, examples, and small tricks to get started. Pick the bots that align with your strength, and give yourself just one project this week. It might be small, it might be imperfect, but action beats perfection. If you start, you learn. If you learn, you grow. If you grow, income follows. And when you hit that first $50, $100, $200, it snowballs. Don't overthink. Use the bots. Customize, share, repeat. If you enjoyed this, remember, I drop these AI money-making tools every week. If you want to stay ahead, hit subscribe and click the bell button. Thanks for watching all the way to the end, means a lot. Tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. Drop in the comments which bot you'll test first, and what niche you're excited about. I'll read your comments and share tips on some of your chosen niches in the next video. If you want, I can even do a walkthrough live with one of your ideas. Just say the word. Before you go, if you found a single tip you can use now, hit like to let me know. Share this video with a friend who's curious about making real money with AI. Because these tools aren't just for big creators, they're for beginners ready to start. Take action today. Set up one bot. Try one project. You'll learn, you'll build momentum. I believe you can do this. Thank you for watching. Keep pushing, keep experimenting, keep creating. Until next time, stay curious. Stay bold. Let AI work for you. Hit that subscribe, hit that bell, so you never miss a tool that could change your life. Tomorrow's upload is something epic. Don't miss it. I'll see you in the next video. Paused. This is just your beginning. You got this. Peace out. Optional added personal signature. I'm your name, helping beginners earn with AI. And I can't wait to hear about your first sale. Good luck. Don't forget, watch till the end for the tool that made me $100. Like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. Stay tuned. See you soon. Take care. Be brave. Create boldly. Let AI be your partner. Turn ideas into income. Turn curiosity into results. You're already ahead by watching this. Now go build. Now go earn. Now go grow. Thanks again. Subscribe plus bell. Always on your team. Signing off. Until next video. Make 2025 your year of AI income. Stay sharp. Stay motivated. Stay consistent. Crush it.